ETH just broke its all-time high after 1,381 days. Ethereum has finally smashed through its November 2021 record, rocketing past $4,978 while liquidating a mind-blowing $259 million in short positions. But the real story? Bitcoin whales are dumping their BTC to go all in on Ethereum. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and in the next 6 minutes, I'll reveal why this historic breakout signals the biggest narrative shift in crypto since 2021. What's up, Crypto Pulse Nation? If you're new here, every 12 hours we deliver the most critical market intel so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Today's update is massive. We're witnessing what might be the beginning of the flippening as institutional money floods from Bitcoin into Ethereum's ecosystem. Let's start with the headline. After 1,181 days, that's almost 4 years, Ethereum has finally broken its all-time high. The catalyst? Jerome Powell's dovish speech at Jackson Hole has traders now pricing in a 90% probability for September rate cuts. But check this out. As ETH exploded past $4,978, it triggered an absolutely brutal short squeeze, liquidating $259 million worth of ETH shorts in just 24 hours. And here's the incredible part. Every single person who has ever bought ETH and held is now in profit. Every single one. But the real story that mainstream media isn't covering? Bitcoin whales are executing the largest BTC-to-ETH rotation in crypto history. Our analysis shows one 7-year dormant whale moved $409 million worth of Bitcoin into new wallets, while hyper-liquid whales sold $520 million in BTC to build $1 billion in Ethereum positions. This isn't random. It's a coordinated institutional shift recognizing that Ethereum's utility infrastructure offers superior returns versus Bitcoin's store of value narrative. The ETF flows tell the same story. ETH ETFs, 337 million net inflows. BTC ETFs, 23 million net outflows. BlackRock's ETHA ETF now holds over $15 billion in Ethereum, up 50% in just 1 month. And look at DeFi's explosion as proof of Ethereum's real-world utility. AAVE surged +15.25%, Pendle gained +9.34%. This isn't just speculation, it's productive economic activity generating real yields on Ethereum's infrastructure. Let's quickly run through the current market indicators. Bitcoin is at 114,662 Ors, down 1.06%. Ethereum at 4,926, up 2.02%. XRP at 301, slightly down 0.47%. Solana showing strength at 203, up 5.71%. BNB at 889, up 2.04%. Bitcoin dominance is falling, now at 57.1%, down 2.3% as Ethereum gains momentum. Overall market cap sits at $4.01 trillion, up 2.16%. Sector performance shows L1 blockchains up 20.53% with Ethereum leading the charge, while DeFi projects are absolutely exploding with a 31.11% gain. So what does this all mean for your portfolio? We're witnessing the early stages of what could be the flippening, the long-theorized moment when Ethereum's market cap surpasses Bitcoin's. The next key level to watch is $5,000, a major psychological barrier that could trigger even more FOMO if broken, but also keep an eye on these potential risks. 41 million in token unlocks coming this week. WLFI token mainnet launch on September 1st. Huma Finance releasing 30% of total supply on August 26th. These supply pressures will test whether institutional demand can absorb the selling. The 1,381-day drought is finally over, and ETH bears, who called it dead for years, just watched every ETH holder go into profit simultaneously. The key question, are you positioned for the infrastructure that's rebuilding finance or still chasing yesterday's digital gold narrative? Monitor how institutional capital continues rotating from Bitcoin to Ethereum as we head into September rate cuts. The flippening conversation just got very real. Position accordingly. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for our next Crypto Pulse in 12 hours. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd.